Look at number 5. Your secondary denominators are x squared, y, and xy. So it looks to me like the only factors you see are x and y. The most x shows up is twice, and the most y shows up is once. So x squared y will be what we multiply everything by. X squared y, x squared y, x squared y, x squared y. So here, the x squareds cancel, and you're left with y minus. The y cancels, you're left with 5x squared. In the denominator, the y cancels, and one of the x's, so you're left with 2x plus 3 x squared y. Okay, so there's your answer. Now look at number 6. We talked about negative exponents a couple of videos ago. You cannot move that x to the negative 1 to the denominator because it is a term. Terms are separated by plus and minus. If everything had been multiplied, then yes, you could move it. But we want to get rid of our negative exponents first. X to the negative 1 is 1 over x plus, now watch, the 2 is raised to positive 1. Nothing is wrong with that. That's 2 over y. All over, that's this line right here, x, because that x is to the positive 1, over y plus 3 over x. 1 over x plus 2 over y, x over y, 3 over x. Okay, so it looks like our LCD would be xy. You're going to multiply every term in the top, every term in the bottom by xy. And that's going to leave you y plus 2x over, y's cancel, you're left with x squared plus 3y.